both of these men. I am Will Smith. I am the man that can't take it anymore and will slap the shit out of the next person that says a cross word to me. I am Chris Rock. I am the man that can get slapped in front of the whole world and keep his composure so I don't fuck anything up. My friends, this is what men do. We make boundaries, we enforce boundaries, and we test boundaries. And women, I love you to death. You think you want to do what we're doing, but trust me, take the silver. Thank you very much.
They could be anywhere. Sure, they could be at home, sitting somewhere.
You could go that far then?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, mine goes like 2 miles, 3 miles.
Are we still gonna go that way?
I'll just go that way a little bit.
This way.